Welcome to another section still on factors and multiples. So let's look at common factors today. Do you know numbers also have common factors, just as families also have common DNAs? Yes, DNA is a common factor in families. If you are from a particular family and you have siblings, your DNAs will be the same because you're coming from the same parents. Remember I told you that the factor is like a child and a multiple is like a parent. So we also have common factors in numbers, and we can find them out. We can find out common factors in number. Of course, we should understand that 1 is a general common factor. Number 1 is a general common factor to all numbers, because I said 1 can divide all numbers in our previous class. But apart from 1, which is a general common factor, we can also find out specific common factors of numbers. So we're looking at those specific common factors of numbers. One could be likened to eyes. For example, every human being has eyes or ears or mouth. That is a general common factor in all human beings. But there are specific factors that we refer to as the DNA. Now, those are the factors we also refer to as the common factors in our numbers. Let's see how we can deal with such or find out such kind of common factors. Let's take some examples here. We have 20 and 16. Let's find the common factors of 20 and 16. I've shown you how you can use to write all the factors of a given number. Let's start with 20. Let's start with 20. I showed you in the previous class, 20 is 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. That is for 20. 16 is 1 times 16, 2 times 8, 4 times 4. Now, if you want to bring it out, 20 will be equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. 16 will be equal to 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. If you look at these numbers here, 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common. I think that is all. So the common factors of 20 and 16 are 1, 2, and 4. These are the common factors. The common factors of 20 and 16 are 1, 2, and 4. But remember I told you that 1 is a general factor in all. So I'll just write common factors of 20 are 2 and 4. That two numbers are the common factors of 20 and 16. So the common factors of 20 and 16 are 2 and 4. Let's try another example. What are the common factors of 25 and 30? 25 and 30. Let's try 25 and 30. Solution. 25 and 30. 25 will be equal to 5 times 5. That'll give us 25 is all. 30 will be 2 times 3 times 5. 5 is common. 5 is common in the two areas. Therefore, you write common factor of 25 and 30 is 5. That is the answer. That's the common factor of 25 and 30. I was able to break this down quickly without using the other long chain of method I give to you. So let's try another number here. What is or are the common factor of 40 and 60? Let's try 40 and 60. Let's break 40. That will be 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10, 5 times 8, 6, 7, 8, that is all. So 40 is equal to 1. Let me take out 1 from 8. 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. Let's break 60 down. 60 is equal to 1 times 60, 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, 5 times 12, 6 times 10, 8, 9, 10, getting back. So 60 will be, let me take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. Now you see that 2 is common, the two numbers. 4 is common, 5 is common, 10 is common, 20 is common. That is also the common factors of 40 and 60 will be 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Here are the common factors of 40 and 60. So these are how you go about looking for the common factors of numbers. And it's simple if you understood the concept of factors and multiples. If you've not played the video on factors and multiples, ensure you go through that class and have a better understanding. But these are how we solve common factors of numbers. So replay the class, the video is yours, you are in school, don't be in a hurry in solving problems. Carefully go to the problem and have a better understanding. See you in our next other class.